NIR technology in food industry, process and applications. The contents of this presentation include an introduction, the principle, process of NIR, applications, limitations and challenges, and finally the future prospects. Introduction. Near infrared or NIR spectroscopy is an analysis technique for fast and accurate food testing. NIR measurement is a widely used method in the food and drink and agricultural industries. It is a convenient, low-cost alternative to chemical analysis. NIR technology is widely used in the food industry for rapid, non-destructive analysis of food quality and composition. It allows for the determination of key characteristics like moisture, protein, fat, and sugar content, as well as the detection of adulteration and contaminants. This technology is valuable for both quality control and process optimization in various food sectors. Looking at the definition, NIR technology is a vibrational spectroscopy method that analyzes molecular vibrations by interacting near infrared light with molecular bonds, enabling rapid, non-destructive method of measuring chemical and nutritional composition in food products. Historical development. Looking at the early applications in agriculture, NIR technology was initially employed in agriculture for soil and crop analysis. This was mainly to enable farmers to assess nutrient levels and optimize yield through precise measurements. And later, we could see the evolution into food industry use. Over time, NIR technology transitioned into the food industry, mainly used for quality control, moisture measurement, and determination of nutrient content, thus enhancing food safety and quality. Principle of NIR technology. NIR technology uses light in the near infrared spectrum to analyze and determine chemical compositions, providing rapid, non-destructive testing capabilities for various materials. Key components of NIR systems. NIR systems consist of an NIR light source, a sample holder, a spectrometer to measure wavelengths, and a detector, all essential for capturing and analyzing. Principle. NIR spectroscopy utilizes the near infrared region of the electromagnetic spectrum, typically 700 to 2500 nanometers. Different chemical compounds absorb and scatter light at specific wavelengths within this region. These absorption patterns are characteristic of the chemical bonds present and can be used to identify and quantify those compounds. The intensity of the absorption is directly related to the concentration of the analyte. Working process. The first is sample preparation. NIR spectroscopy is often performed on solid or liquid samples with minimal or no sample preparation. Light source. A light source emits NIR radiation which is then passed through or reflected by the sample. Spectrometer. A spectrometer separates the light into its component wavelengths, and a detector measures the intensity of light at each wavelength. Next step is the data analysis. The data is processed using chemometrics to correlate the spectral information with the composition of the sample. This often involves using calibration models built with reference methods. And finally, the quantitative analysis. The processed data allows for the quantification of various components within the food sample, such as moisture, protein, fat, carbohydrates, and other relevant applications. Food production processes with NIR. Application in transformation processes. NIR vibrational spectrometry is utilized during food transformation processes such as cheese making, roasting, and blending to monitor chemical changes in real time. Tracking chemical changes. Continuous spectral analysis enables precise tracking of chemical variations, providing valuable data to guide operators and automated systems through production stages. Third, improving product consistency. Real-time NIR feedback allows a dynamic process adjustments, enhancing product uniformity and operational efficiency while reducing waste. These three applications are included as monitoring food production processes. More applications. Role of NIR in quality control. NIR technology is essential in food production quality control, enabling chemical and nutritional analysis, shelf life estimation, and process parameter identification to ensure product standards. Real-time measurement capabilities. NIR spectroscopy provides non-invasive, real-time measurements during production, allowing immediate detection of quality deviations and supporting continuous processing monitoring and composition analysis and process optimization. NIR simultaneously measures key food components like moisture, fat, and protein, aiding in process adjustments to improve consistency, reduce waste, and enhance overall role of NIR in quality control. NIR technology enables precise measurement of moisture levels in various food products, ensuring optimal storage conditions and preventing spoilage. With regard to assessing sugar and fat levels, NIR spectroscopy determines sugar and fat levels in food items, facilitating product formulation and compliance with nutritional standards. Calorimetric analysis. This analytical technique utilizes NIR data to evaluate the color properties of food products, influencing consumer preferences and product quality perception. Process control. Here we have two applications, real-time monitoring and automation in production lines. Real-time monitoring. NIR technology allows for continuous real-time monitoring of production processes, enhancing efficiency and ensuring consistent product quality throughout manufacturing. With regard to automation in production lines, it integrates NIR sensors into production lines and brings about automated quality checks, reducing manual labor and minimizing the risk of human error while maintaining high standards. Real-time inline NIR spectrometers for quality control. The first one is the non-invasive monitoring. Real-time NIR spectrometers enable non-destructive quality analysis directly on production line, preserving product integrity while providing immediate data. These spectrometers constantly monitor critical parameters such as moisture and protein, allowing rapid detection of deviations and also enable prompt corrective actions. By eliminating offline sampling and laboratory delays, inline NIR spectrometry supports continuous manufacturing, reducing downtime and enhancing throughput. Integration of NIR spectrometers into production lines. Steps for integrating NIR spectrometers include analyzing production needs, selecting appropriate spectrometers, mounting at critical points, connecting to control systems, and customizing calibration models for accuracy. Looking at the benefits of NIR spectrometer integration, we also see that the real-time monitoring improves product consistency, enhances operational efficiency by reducing downtime, and lowers costs through early quality issue detection. Food testing and authentication. NIR spectroscopy provides rapid analysis of nutritional components in food, helping manufacturers to accurately label their products and comply with regulatory guidelines. This method aids in verifying the authenticity of food products, detecting adulteration, and ensuring that the products meet the specific quality and safety standards. How NIR is used for food authentication and fraud prevention. Chemical digital fingerprinting. NIR technology enables the creation of chemical digital fingerprints of food matrices, allowing precise identification and classification based on spectral profiles. Secondly, It enhances the traceability in food supply chains. NIR supports enhanced traceability by enabling rapid screening and comparison of samples, facilitating monitoring and verification throughout the supply chain. And it also helps in the detection of food adulteration. By comparing spectral data with reference materials, NIR detects adulterations and replacements with inferior or different quality substances, preventing economically motivated food fraud. NIR technology and food safety compliance. NIR spectroscopy enables rapid, non-destructive detection of adulterants, pathogens, and spoilage indicators in food products, ensuring authenticity and safety. Second, it also helps in the support for food certifications. NIR technology verifies critical chemical and physical parameters such as fat, protein, moisture content, enabling compliance with regulatory standards and certification requirements. This technology also helps in enhancing consumer safety by providing real-time on-site analysis and integrating machine learning. NIR improves monitoring during processing, reducing contamination risks and fostering transparency. Sustainability and efficiency gains from NIR. Reduction of food waste. NIR technology enables real-time, non-destructive quality analysis, ensuring only products meeting standards proceeds, thereby minimizing spoilage and waste in the supply chain. Optimization of resources. Rapid compositional data from NIR allows precise control of processing parameters, improving the yield and reducing overuse of water, fertilizer, and other inputs in agriculture and food production. Contribution to sustainability. By lowering energy consumption, minimizing defects, and reducing chemical waste, NIR supports sustainable manufacturing practices and enhances environmental performance in food systems. Now, let's also look at the challenges and limitations of NIR technology. 1. Weaker absorption bands. NIR absorption bands are nuances of vital vibrations, resulting in weaker and broader spectral features that complicate quantitative analysis. Calibration requirements. Accurate NIR analysis depends on extensive calibration models developed with chemometric techniques, which are often instrument specific and challenging to standardize. Need for ongoing research. Continuous advancements in chemometrics, machine learning, and instrument design are essential to address current limitations and enhance NIR technology applications. Cost of implementation. Initial investment considerations. The initial investment for advanced technologies can be very high, despite potential long-term benefits and costs. Training and expertise requirements. Implementing new technologies often requires extensive training for staff, which can incur additional costs and time, thereby hindering productivity and delaying operation. Future trends in NIR technology for food industry. Advances in AI and chemometrics enhance NIR spectral data interpretation, improving the resolution and calibration accuracy for food authentication and quality grading. Development of compact portable NIR devices including MEMS and LEDs enable rapid on-site food quality testing, reducing the dependence on centralized labs. Integration with digital traceability. This includes linking NIR data with blockchain and IoT systems, which can facilitate real-time product tracking, enhancing transparency, safety compliance. Advanced NIR techniques. Hyperspectral imaging. Integration of NIR with imaging technology. Hyperspectral imaging combines near-infrared spectroscopy with imaging to capture spatially resolved spectral data across WIS NIR and SWIR ranges, enabling detailed chemical and physical analysis of food products beyond traditional spectroscopy. Also, it effectively detects mechanical damage, storage-induced changes, and quality variations in agricultural products, achieving high classification accuracies. Chemometric methods like PCA and PLS enhance data interpretation for precise non-destructive monitoring of attributes such as protein content and freshness. Portable and on-site NIR devices in food industry. NIR spectroscopy evolved from bulky lab instruments to compact portable devices using advanced sensing technologies, enabling in-field applications with improved accuracy and stability. Portable NIR spectrometers enable rapid, non-destructive quality assessment of food products on-site, supporting decisions in farming, harvest timing, and retail authenticity verification without sample preparation. On-site NIR testing improves supply chain transparency by verifying food authenticity, detecting adulteration, and ensuring compliance with certifications, thus reducing fraud and enhancing consumer trust. Thus, we have the evolution of the spectrometers to portable NIR devices. We find their applications in field and in retail conditions, enhancing supply chain transparency. The overall advantages of NIR analysis. 1. It provides prompt analysis of data for better decision making in food and agricultural production processes. Compared to traditional analysis methods, this requires little or no sample preparation and no chemicals or consumables. It is non-destructive, operator-friendly, fast, reliable, and precise. Conclusion. NIR as a transformative tool. Near-infrared technology enables rapid, non-destructive and accurate analysis, revolutionizing food industry processes and quality assurance. Looking at the future innovation, NIR improves efficiency through real-time monitoring and supports sustainability. Ongoing innovations integrate AI and miniaturizations to expand accessibility and capabilities.